Hey, little explorers! Guess what? The jungle has a surprise for you today. Cute wild animals are waiting to say hello. Ready to meet them? Let's jump in. Adventure time! Look, it's the mighty lion, the king of the jungle. It has a big, fluffy mane, and the lion says, "Roar!" But don't worry, this one is soft and friendly. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Who is next, animal? Here comes the tiger. Tigers have orange and black stripes. They walk very quietly, tiptoe, tiptoe, because they are great hunters. Our tiger is smiling and waving. Can you count its stripes? Wow! Look at that huge elephant! It has big floppy ears and a super long trunk. Elephants use their trunk to eat, drink, and even take a shower. Splash, splash. This elephant is waving hello with its trunk. Now who's next, animal? Look up, up, up. It's a giraffe, the tallest animal. It uses its long neck to reach yummy leaves on tall trees. Stretch your neck like a giraffe. Can you do it? Great job! Here is the beautiful zebra. Black and white stripes, just like a walking barcode. Every zebra's stripes are unique. This zebra is happily walking and showing off its patterns. Now who's next, animal? Who's jumping up there? It's a cheerful monkey. Monkeys love climbing trees and playing around. They are super funny. This monkey wants to play peekaboo with you. Say, "Hello, monkey." Here comes the bear. Bears look big and strong, but in cartoons, they're soft, cuddly, and very sweet. They love honey. This bear is waving its paw at you. Wave back and say, "Hi, bear." Now who's next, animal? Aw, it's a cute little panda. Pandas are black and white and very fluffy. They love eating bamboo all day long. Crunch, crunch, crunch. This panda is sharing its bamboo with you. Wow, you did amazing today. You learned so many wild animals. See you in our next fun adventure. Bye-bye, little friends.